Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make custard cream, easy method. Start by whisking egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch until smooth, then warm milk slowly while stirring constantly to avoid curdling. Continue cooking over gentle heat until the mixture thickens and coats the spoon, then remove from heat and whisk in butter and vanilla for shine and flavor. Cool quickly to stop cooking, then chill until set for spreading or piping on desserts. Warm milk gradually while whisking the yolks to temper them and prevent curdling, then return the mixture to the pan over low heat. Stir constantly until it thickens and leaves a clean line on the spoon, which indicates the correct consistency. Remove promptly from heat to preserve a glossy texture, then beat in cold butter and vanilla for richness. Transfer to a bowl and cover to avoid a skin forming. Quick recommendation: if you're meal prepping or taking desserts on the go, try those leak-proof containers for easy, mess-free transport and neat stacking in your fridge. They hold sauces and creams securely and make cleanup simple. I find they save time when planning batches of cream or pastry components. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Custard cream is versatile and great for tarts, cakes, filled pastries, or sandwich cookies. Chill it to firm up or use warm for glazing. To store, press plastic wrap directly on the surface to prevent a skin from forming, then refrigerate in an airtight container. Reheat gently while whisking if needed to restore texture, or portion and freeze for future quick desserts to save time and reduce waste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.